Hey everyone, how you doing? This is my app development 2 project on home application services, which is called Easy Home. So in this app, you can uh, order different kind of services, which are created by admin, and the customers can opt for the service, and then professionals get the email about that someone is requesting service, then they can get that service request and then complete it. So, and now I'm gonna show you the code of this whole app. So this is the main app file where I run the thing. Let's run this app. Now if I go to the local host, then our apps loads in. So this is the landing page of this app. Pretty simple. So there is a login button or register button. When I click on login, a login form will appear. And when I click on register, the register form will appear. So I, I clicked on login, so login form appeared here. And when I click on register, the register appeared. So first I'm gonna log in as admin. Uh, Admin is created whenever the app starts. So this is the admin email and password that I'm using in this app. Okay, I forgot to add. I have to start for the backend services. I have to start Celery too, and Celery is using Redis server for the message broker, and yeah. So just copy this from here. So now I will set up a worker. So I received this, which means that the Celery is working good. Now, in the admin, I can create new services. All the services are in services category. So I have to first create a category. Then I can add services in that category. And then there is professionals. So all the professionals will appear here. And then all the service request will appear here with the service name, the registration date, and the status of that service request. And then there is a verify panel. So when professional sign up, so then I can verify him. If I do not, then he cannot see any services. So right now there is nothing because I have to add professional and customers. Okay, so and there is search and summary that shows all the statistics of the app. First, I will log out, then add a professional, name him and mail. I did not do lot of error handling, so that's why error can appear. If you want to. So first I'm gonna use this email. Uh, I have to add the right email, so that because emails will also uh, appear in that email. So that's the password. And so as I wanna sign in as a professional, so I'll click on the serviceman. Then I can choose a service. Because I did not add service, so I have to log in as admin and add some service category. So a professional can take a single service category. So let's say I create a cleaning category. So a pop-up will appear here to tell me that service category has been added. Uh, let's add another one called laundry, and another one called salon. So if I go back and see, all three are there. Now I can add services in those category. So let's say laundry, sorry, salon, uh, hairstylist, and a description. So you can write a good description here. I'm just gonna give us some text so that we'll see it is working. Hairstylist is awesome. And the base price, which I'm gonna give it 250, and I add the service. So service has been added, pop-up will appear. Then I can add another service, let's say another one in hairstylist. Let's say straightening. Some hair stylist. Okay, the price will be say 1,000 at this service. And I'm gonna add another in the cleaning service. So house cleaning is good, and base price is 500. All three are there. I can check the details too, or I can edit too. Like I cannot edit the description because it's not really that much type of thing. You can edit the name if you want to. So like when I click on update service, this will appear. So then I can update the name of this service. I can delete the service. Yeah. So let's add another one in laundry. Uh, washing clothes. Clothes service. Discharge 100. Add service. So all of them are added now. Now I can go back to the now I can register as a professional. My email will be this. You have to write a legit email so that emails will appear when someone registers for a service or your service got remarked or closed. That's why you need to have the right one. So let's say I'm a laundry guy and I have 3 years of experience. I have to upload my some documents. Let's say here I'm gonna use my resume for the document and address. So I'll write this address and a pin code. For pin code, I'm gonna give this and then register. Now that I registered, I will see the professional panel as I do not see anything. One thing, because there is no service request, but also even if there was service request, I cannot see them because I have not been verified. So let's create a customer too. Uh, Gender is say female. Use this email. Okay. Now I registered as a customer, so I'll see these two panels. One is services that I can get, like this hairstylist service. So there is the name, description, the base price, how many people have applied for this service, and the rating. It says not rated yet because no one has rated it, because no one. So this the rating will appear here when there is some rating, and when this service were added. So I can see all these details for all of them. So let's say I was a laundry guy. So I'm gonna take the washing cloth. No, first I should go here and verify my professional from admin. So there's no professional here. I'll go to the unverified professional tab. So I can see this guy, he's here, and I can see his document by clicking on this link tab. So a new tab will open and I can see the document that he posted. So this is my resume that I used for the document. Yeah, so if I think it's right, I'll just verify it, and then he's verified. The guy will not appear in the unverified panel. You can see him in the professional. You can see all his details too, and his profile. If I click on it, I can see his profile. Write some comments on it, like uh, great service. I can delete my comment. This is only for the admin because I thought this will make more sense. For only admin can delete comments. Yes. And then we can go on his profile again. Oh, this is my profile. Oh, I made a mistake. So when I go to someone's profile, so I can go on the guy's profile who commented on it. So like I commented on this, so I can go to admin's profile. Uh, okay, so that is that. Let's go to customer and apply for some service. Before that, let's go to Gmail and also log in so that we'll see all the Gmails up here. This is our professional Gmail, and then this is our customers. These are the two we need. Let's just read it so we'll not see it again. Okay, so now this is that. Let's apply for log out and sign in as a customer. One more thing that I can show right now is, let's say I'll go to admin, log in as admin. And now if I add a new server, because there is a customer here, this guy. So if I add a service again, let's say I add a service in cleaning, roof cleaning, and then I add some description roof cleaning is awesome, and then price will be 5,000. Then add this service. So as service is added, email will also come to this guy saying that we added a new service, you should check it out on Easy Home and apply it for. Yeah, I did not write lot because it's just for the testing purpose that it is working. You get an email when I add a service. Customers gets that. Yeah, so that was for the customer. Now let's go to the customer side. Register, sorry, login. Now that I logged in, I can apply for some service. Let's say I was going for the laundry. So I applied for laundry. So it says I applied for this job. In the service request, I can see this. You can see all the other details too, as there is a service name, there's professional. It says none because there is no professional right now. But when there is a professional, the professional name will appear here. So I can click on it and see the profile of that uh, professional. And as no one has picked up this job yet, so I can cancel it right now. And like for the mistakes, like if you made a mistake, that's how. So you can cancel service right now, but after someone opted the service, you for the service request, you cannot cancel it then. Then you have to close the request. That is all you can do. So the guy should have gotten the email and he did not because uh, the email service I'm using is not working great. So sometimes I do not get the email, but you can assume that I will get it. Like I send this email uh, like yesterday on 10 a.m. and I got it like 10 hours later. So sometime email just appear late, but they do appear. So let's assume that. So now if I log in as a professional, you know, log in. So the job will appear here. I can see the job. So there is the today service tab and there is open service request because service that has not been opted. So today's service, it will only show services that are uh, like applied today. But in open service, I can see service request that was applied for like yesterday or day before that. So yeah, let's apply for, I can see this is the job. I have to washing clothes and I can see the user profile if I want to. Like let's say I am seeing this guy's profile, customer's profile, and it's a email, gender. I can comment on it. Yeah. So go home and then apply for this service request. As I applied it, it will not appear in open or anywhere. I can see it in active services that I have opted for this service. And now I can see the address and the pin code. It will not, address and pin code will not appear. Sorry, address will not appear in the services, but now it will. Yeah. So this is that. After I complete the request, I will, and if the customer remarks it, like rates it, I will see the rating and remark too. So right now there's nothing in the close service. Yeah. So I must have gotten an email. Yeah. Service request has been accepted because I accepted the request. Yeah. So yeah, it also shows the name of the guy. So if I go to the, let's say I go to summary right now. So I can see there is no rating. That's why this panel is empty, but I can see how many requests I accepted right now. So I accepted one and there is none completed. So if I log out now, and go to my customers page. Log in as customer. So there is the profile. I can see the user profile, the guy's profile. Yeah, see the delete icon will not appear. I can comment too, like it was great meeting you. Yeah, so I post this and my comment also will be here. Yes, so let's say I go here and the job has been completed. So now I can close it if I want to. So only customers can close the request. Yeah, so that's the functionality I added, not for the professionals to close it. Yeah, so now if I close it, it will transform into the remark button. So now I can remark it. I should get an email. As I'm not getting an email, there might be something wrong with this email, because I get emails really late on this one only. So let's say I remark it. I'll say his service was really good and he was really friendly. Yeah. So and I'm giving him a rating of, let's say, 4, not 5. And so I remarked it. Now it is remarked. I must have gotten an email saying, yeah, I forgot. I do not get email on this email. So I will get email that my service request has been remarked. So then I can check it out. So I can go to customers profile too. Let's say, sorry, summary. So it says how many the service request I requested right now, and how many of them are accepted, and how many of them are completed. Like here, one of them is completed. If I opt for more, will be more data. Yeah, so I can see my own profile if I want to. Yeah, like this. And if I'm seeing my own profile, I can edit my image. Like, let's say I want to set a different image as this image of mine. So yeah, so I can change my image. Also, if I want to, I can edit my profile. Let's say I want to edit my name or address or pin code, not the gender. Yeah. So I don't want to edit it right now. This is the profile. Now it is that. And if I go to professional now, I should see the remark that user just posted. So it will not appear because it has been closed, and here I can see, and this is the rating. He gave me rating 4 and service remark, and that is all. I can see my own profile and see the comments. Yeah, see my own summary. Now that I have a rating, it says I have 4 rating 100% because I have only done one request and it was I got 4 rating in that. Now here it says completed instead of accepted. So this thing is does for the right now, like all the service request I am working on right now. So this graph will shows that. Okay, so I can also do this, like I can search for service request. If I have some more service request, I can search for those. Like if I want to see service request on some specific pin code like 110076, it has been completed, but it only appearing here because I was the one who did it. So both the completed service and the open service both appear here. So I can either opt for the service, like I want to apply for that service request, or I can also check like what was it. So I can also search as for with the pin code, like sorry, location, like there is colony. Let's say let's search for the colony. So it appears. Yeah, so that's how the search works. There is so admin can see the service request related search. Professional can also see the service request related stuff, and the users can see the search for the services. Yeah. So let's go home and then log out. Now, if I log in as a, let's say, admin, see how it's going with the app. So I can see the service request. Let's see, it has been completed. I can see the remark and the rating and what's the status and who did it. I can see the professional's profile, and my images also appears here. I can see the customers, commenters profile and the user's profile too. Yes, that is that. And then there is professional. I can, if I want, I can blacklist him too. Like, so if I click on this button, the blacklisted professionals will appear. As there is no blacklisted professional, there is nothing here. So if I go to his profile, only admins can do this. So a blacklist button will appear here. So if I click on this button, then this user will get blacklisted. So let's say I click it here. Now he is blacklisted. So there is nothing here, but if I click on blacklist button, it appears. So if I try to log in as this user, I'll see a different landing page. Let's go to summary first, see how the services are like in the admin. Oh, I think I already showed this. Yeah, so I can search for the service. Okay, and service request by the service, like service request who opted for this service name, or this professional who did this service, or a customer related service. So I can, using these all types of search, I can search for the service request. So that is that. Let's go to professional profile, see if he is blacklisted or not. Now if I log in as the professional, login, I'll see this, that my account has been suspended or blacklisted. So I have to contact. If I click on this button, email button will appear, and I can write email to the email I wrote. Okay, so that is that. Now there is no logout button, so I have to close the browser so that it logs out. And with that, I think I have shown everything that is in this app, and there is other things too, but that is the all the thing, most of the things that is in this app. So that was all, and thank you.